Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn Coding Skills. In today's video, we'll be going through how to install PyTorch with Anaconda. This will be quite straightforward. Come to the PyTorch website, which is pytorch.org, and press on Get Started. And then if you scroll down, you can see these different configurations to get your install. So for me, my OS is Windows, and this is the package installer down here. So I can choose either Conda or pip. I'm going to choose pip. And language, Python obviously. And I'll just go with CPU for ease. And then yeah, you can see it says I should run this command. So I simply just take this and then put it into Anaconda prompt and run it. Okay, so now it says that it's installed. So let's check. So we can do pip show torch. And yeah, we can see that it's installed. Okay, now let's write a script to see if it works. So import torch, then let's make a tensor and let's output it. Let's see if that works. Okay, nice, it works. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If you like the video, please drop a like on the video. And if you want to see more content, subscribe. Thanks for watching.